Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode. My name is Abel Kantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. We will be continuing from where we stopped. We're able to bring out this plan like this. Let's bring out the opening. We have an opening here. We have one here. We have one here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay. Sorry. Let me dimension this quickly. Right. Let me just insert all the necessary openings we are supposed to have. For this, we have a 600 window here. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Let me be sure of what type of window did I use here. Okay, this is 900. In this case, I want to create a 1, 2 by 1, 2 size of window. Then I'm just going to be very fast about this. I wouldn't take too much time since we already have a background of what I'm talking about. So similarly, just like we created the ground floor, is basically how we are going to create this one too. Okay, I wouldn't want to take too much of our time, but let me show you how to insert some of the major openings that you probably want to have on your on the building. We have a double door which we created for 1, 2 by 2, 1, and then I will insert it here. This is not a door. This is supposed to be a window at the first floor here. It's a window, not a door. Okay, look at it here. start it here. So let's view this in our 3D. All you need to do is just to come to your view, click on 3D. It will bring our 3D. So here you can just orbit this to view how it looks like. Remember, we did not insert all the openings. Okay, so some of the openings have not been created. So this is basically how to come about this. In this, we were not able to show when it comes to a cantilever and all that, although we are still in the process of modeling this. But this is how far we have been able to come. This is the ground floor, this is the first floor, and you can see how it looks like. You can use your orbit to go round the entire building to see how your model looks like. Mind you, like I said, this orbit is not you rotating the building, you are rather going round the building. That's basically what it is. On the next episode, I'm going to be showing you how to come about your doors and your window schedule. I'm going to leave you to this so that you can actually come up with you can finish up the first floor. What we did in the ground floor is similarly to what we are going to basically do here. You just use some of the basic tools to offset, to move, to copy, to trim, to extend. Okay, that's basically all you need to do to achieve all of this. It's very easy to actually come up with. If you have been able to successfully do this, then this should be as well very easy for you to achieve. Okay, so that is that. I'm going to see you in the next episode.